Ever crunched into an apple or sautéed red onions and thought, antioxidants? Probably not. But you were likely getting a dose of quercetin, one of nature's most underrated health allies. This video is for educational purposes only, and not a substitute for medical advice. Always consult your doctor before taking any supplement. Welcome to ABC of Supplements, where we translate biochemistry into bite-sized brilliance. Quercetin is a plant flavonoid, a natural pigment found in many fruits, vegetables, and herbs. It's most concentrated in foods like apples, red onions, berries, kale, and even capers. Its job in plants? Protection. Its potential in humans? Impressive. Research shows quercetin has antioxidant, anti-inflammatory, antiviral, and even anti-allergic properties. It's being explored for its role in managing high blood pressure, allergic rhinitis, autoimmune conditions, and even viral infections due to its immune-modulating effects. Some studies also show quercetin may help support cardiovascular health, improve endurance performance, and protect neurons from oxidative stress, especially in combination with other nutrients. But here's the challenge: bioavailability. Your body doesn't absorb quercetin all that well on its own. It gets metabolized quickly and has low water solubility. What helps? Take it with a fat-containing meal and even better. Combine it with vitamin C or bromelain, an enzyme found in pineapple.
Oh, it's half Hawaiian.
I believe that's ours.
These combos can significantly improve absorption and stability in your bloodstream. Let's talk dosage. Clinical studies suggest a safe and effective range of 500 to 1,000 milligrams per day, with some trials using up to 1,200 milligrams. It's generally well tolerated, but some people report headaches, tingling, or digestive issues at higher doses, and it's not for everyone. Avoid if you're pregnant, breastfeeding, or taking certain medications, especially anticoagulants, corticosteroids, or antibiotics like ciprofloxacin. It can also interact with chemotherapy drugs and blood pressure meds. If you're considering a supplement, look for quercetin phytosome, liposomal forms, or ones blended with bromelain or vitamin C. These are more absorbable and often better tolerated. Fun fact: quercetin's name comes from the Latin word quercetum, meaning oak forest, because it was first isolated from oak trees. If this episode helped you discover a compound hiding in your crisper drawer, show us some flavonoid love. Tap that subscribe button and turn your notifications on. It's the easiest way to nourish your brain with science that sticks.